Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to remove privacy for. Use a secure device and complete two-factor authentication. Once signed in, export your data using Google Takeout so you don't lose email, photos, or Drive files. Make sure to list linked services and subscriptions that rely on this account because you'll need to transfer or cancel them. This saves time later and prevents accidental lockouts, so do this before proceeding to deletion or privacy clearing steps. Next, go to Security Settings and revoke third-party app access to prevent future data sharing. Remove apps you don't recognize. Then open Data and Personalization and delete web and app activity, location history, and YouTube/voice activity. This reduces what Google retains. Make sure to turn off sync and remove the account from every device and Chrome profile so no cached credentials remain. Once done, check connected devices and sign out sessions to ensure no lingering access persists across platforms. To finish, navigate to Data and Privacy and select Delete your Google account. Follow the confirmation flow and verify you exported everything needed. Make sure to transfer ownership of Drive files or cancel paid subscriptions and update account emails for services that use this Google login. After deletion, check your devices and remove any residual profiles. If something goes wrong, say a button won't submit, clear browser cache. Try an incognito window or another device, and contact Google support with your backup codes ready for verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.